Hunter X presents Tiger Eye from the riverbed. Watch until the end, Kend. The engine starts.
70 years after it went into this river, a Tiger I heavy tank has been located, still largely intact.
Front secured. Rear straps set. Initiate tension. Tension applied.
As the crane takes full tension, the river mud releases its grip on the Tiger Eye, sending decades of sediment billowing across the riverbed below.
Stabilize. Slow the rotation. Keep it steady. Down slowly. Secure the front chains. Okay.
The Tiger Eye arrives at the restoration facility. Before any assessment can begin, the restoration team blasts away 70 years of river mud and biological growth.
With the bulk of the contamination removed, technicians work through every crevice to ensure a clean surface. Disassembly begins with the external fittings.
The turret disassembly begins with the removable upper components, the commander's cupola, hatches, and vision. The Tiger Eye's complex interleaved suspension system is carefully disassembled.
All right, engaging the hydraulic press on the pin. All right, slowly now. Slowly. Stop.
The external components removed, the team opens the engine deck and fighting compartment, exposing the internal systems that will each undergo their own complete restoration process.
The Maybach HL 230 engine for the heart of the Tiger Eye. Engine specialist technicians conduct a full assessment of the Maybach's condition, checking walls, bearing surfaces, and identifying which industrial degreasers break down the thick layers of oil and grease that have accumulated on the engine over decades,
preparing the surfaces for proper mechanical restoration. With the grease removed, the full extent of the surface corrosion is visible. With the cylinder heads removed, technicians measure the bore dimensions and inspect the internal surfaces panned.
Each engine component is individually restored. Valves are lapped, bearing surfaces are measured and refinished.
With every engine component restored and inspected, the team lays out the parts in assembly order.
Measure that one, it looks oversized.
Once the bulk corrosion is removed, technicians work the precision surfaces. Pin bores, guide teeth, and links that are bent or cracked are returned to specification using a hydraulic press and precision welding. Track pins are individually measured with precision micrometers. Bearing surfaces, rim runout, and flange condition. Wheel rims are shot blasted to bare metal. Damaged flanges are welded and ground smooth.
Torsion bars are subjected to magnetic particle inspection to detect fatigue cracks invisible to the naked eye.
With all running gear components restored and inspected, a protective primer coat is applied immediately to prevent.
Every running gear component is now restored, primed, labeled, and stored in sequence.
Ultrasonic thickness gauging is used to measure the actual remaining thickness of every hull plate.
Keep working across the plates, moving on to the turret here.
The original armor steel of the Tiger Y emerges from beneath the corrosion tag.
The welding engineer documents every area requiring structural repair. Cracks, penetrations, and severely
hull cracks are sealed with precision MIG welding, using multiple weld passes to ensure full penetration through the original. Completed welds are ground flush with the surrounding hull plates. With structural repairs complete, technicians work through every detail on the hull. Vision ports and plate. Two-component epoxy primer is applied to the entire hull surface. The Tiger Eye's turret is positioned on a rotating restoration stand, allowing the team full access to every surface. Technicians assess every structural element of the turret. Wall thickness, ring gear condition, and the compound curves of the Tiger I's cast turret present a greater challenge than the flat hull plates. Technicians' damage found during the turret rust removal process is addressed through welding repair. Cracks are sealed and weld repairs on the turret require careful grinding technique to maintain the original curved profile. The blending. With structural repairs complete, technicians work through the turret's detailed features. Vision ports, aperture. With all turret components restored and inspected, primer is applied to the turret inside and out. Hides. Hundreds of small external fittings are restored individually. Tool clamps, grab handles, vision port. Interior components are carefully cleaned and restored due. Crew seats, ammunition racks, and equipment mounts are brought. Interior components requiring structural repair are addressed with welding and mechanical straightening.
With every component repaired and inspected, protective primer is applied across the complete parts inventory. Interior components and
every component of the Tiger Eye has been individually restored, primed, and organized. From the Maybach engine to the
cameras. Reassembly begins with the torsion bar suspension.
Protective tie. The Tiger Eye's complex
complex interleaved road wheel system is reassembled in precise sequence. The massive track runs are lifted into position by crane and carefully fed around the drive sprocket and road wheels.
Keep it steady. To the right, just a fraction.
The engine's secured. Time to tackle the interior. Seats.
Line it up. Keep it steady. Langsam. Langsam. Es ist drauf. Es ist drauf.
Before final painting can begin, the completely assembled Tiger Eye is washed thoroughly. The restoration facility is configured as a spray environment.
Make sure we get that seam near the gun mantlet. Already on it, boss.
The Dunkelgelb base coat is applied across the complete vehicle. The warm sandy yellow that characterized German armor engines. The three-tone late-war camouflage scheme is applied over the Dunkelgelb base. Olive green and rot brown are worked. The completed Tiger Y is formally handed over to the historical collection bar. Documentation of every restoration decision.
From the riverbed to this tankin, a Tiger Y heavy tank, recovered, restored, and preserved for future generations.